Hey guys, today we're going to install this light in the garage. This is the Inscrok LED light that has adjustable panels and is supposed to be super bright. Let's go ahead and take it out of the box and then we can get a better look at it before we install it. So it looks like everything is pre-assembled already. The material for the panels is a durable polycarbonate plastic and it's very lightweight. It also has an internal cooling system to control it from overheating. The design is as promised. There are 8 panels that you can stretch out, fold, and adjust in multiple directions. And they actually stay in position until you adjust it again. The range of adjustment is from 120 degrees to 240 degrees. This kind of reminds me of a satellite floating in space. Anyhow, let's go ahead and install this light. Here we have a basic 60 watts LED light bulb installed to the wall in the garage, and this is what we will be replacing with the new Inscrok light. It's nothing fancy at all, and it's just bright enough to see where things are in the garage, but not to do actual work. So we'll go ahead and take that out and replace it with this new Inscrok LED light. As you can see, the installation is very easy. Just screw the light in and rotate it several times until it's tight, and we'll just test out the panels. Each one can be opened and extend out. And this is what it looks like with the light powered on. This light is indeed super bright. It's 200 watts with a total of 20,000 lumens. And with the panels, the entire garage is now lit up brightly so we can work on our home rental projects. So if you have a garage, an outdoor shed, a basement, or a large space that requires lighting to do woodworking, painting, or car detailing, this would be a good lighting solution for you. I hope this helped.